Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide chats, DMs on Instagram. First of all, just open up your Play Store or App Store depending on your device. Then in the search bar, just simply search for Instagram and make sure you are using the latest version of Instagram application. If there is any update, just make sure to update it. After updating, just open up the Instagram application and tap on the profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now tap on these three bars in the top right corner. Now scroll down all the way to the bottom. Now if your Insta account is not professional, then below you will see an option, click on it. Turn your professional account on. As you can see, switch to professional account, just tap on it. And now I have a professional account. So just tap on this home icon. Now tap on the messenger icon in the top right corner and tap on these three dots and select the chat you want to hide. Then tap on this delete and tap on this delete again. Now go to settings. Again, convert your account to personal account and your chat will be hidden. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.